I remember a time when I was looking for help with my skin. I felt like I was aging prematurely and I didn't really know where to go. Dermatology had more to do with skin lesions versus aging and wrinkles and kind of aging well, gracefully. And plastic surgery was further than what I felt like I needed at my stage in life. And I was looking for this alternative place and realized that I was going to actually need to train and be able to perform some of that stuff with my husband as well. So, fast forward years later, my husband and I have been in aesthetics for over 2 decades. And what we found is there is this gap area where women are looking for help for feeling well as they're aging and for answering and treating questions that maybe aren't addressed in everyday medicine. I had actually never gone into a med spa before we opened Rose Injectables because I was self conscious. I didn't want to walk in somewhere and have somebody judging me for things I was insecure about, or even pointing out stuff that I'd never noticed, and then I would be more worried about it. So we opened Rose Injectables as a safe place for women to come to just talk about what they notice. The biggest thing you'll see from us when you walk in the door is most of the time we just hand you a mirror and say, what do you see? What is it that you notice that you would like to enhance or refine to make you feel better when you're getting ready in the morning? So that's where we are at Rose Injectables. We're here with niche treatments to find ways to treat problems that maybe are ongoing that you didn't even know could be treated. Like if you leak when you sneeze a little bit, you have to cross your legs, or if you cough or if you laugh too hard, or maybe you're just self-conscious if you need to put on a bathing suit and with razor burn and you'd rather do laser hair removal, or maybe it's the double chin. All these things are problems I was faced with and looking for solutions. And I love to talk to you about what we have found in those different solutions for you. Where we fit in this market is we're not really a med spa. We've got a lot more advanced treatments than a typical med spa would offer, but we're also not plastic surgery where the results time frame is more like 10 years. A lot of our treatments are in a 5-year time frame where we get long-lasting results and really, really cool treatments that we can perform in the office with our patients awake. Don't need general anesthesia, no big incisions, no pain, no downtime for a lot of the stuff so that we can help you. I'll tell you that when I started our first office, you could see these pictures. There's definitely some things I wanted to enhance and just really wanted to improve how I was going to age and how I was going to feel. Whether it was my skin tone or texture with pores, to my double chin and family photos. And then, of course, the signature treatment that we started over 5 years ago, and that's the Perky Peach, because I wanted something maybe a little bit silly in a name, but something that we could talk about and get women to open up about what's going on with their pelvic floor as they're aging. What we have to offer for women, something as simple as this, bipolar radiofrequency, that when applied to the tissue the correct way, helps to improve those pelvic floor muscles, return even lubrication to the tissue, and just to help you feel tighter, more contracted down there. They'll have changes that occur with pregnancy, but sometimes these things happen even if you've never had children, or even if you've had a C-section. Those effects on the pelvic floor can make a difference. And so we can help stabilize the pelvic floor muscles, build some hypertrophy in those muscles to get it to lift and hold better too. So we'd love to talk to you. I don't charge for your initial consult, just to come in and chat and learn about what we have to offer here at our practice. Feel free to reach out to us, 719-924-4424, or you can go to our website at roseinjectables.com and you can book directly there on the website. We look forward to seeing you. I'm Dr. Knies.